Hey IG Garage family, is your car feeling a little rough or lacking power? Seeing the P0266 code on your scanner? Stick with me, because in the next 2 minutes we're breaking down what this code means, where the problem is, and how to fix it. Trust me, this is one video you don't want to skip. The P0266 code stands for Cylinder 2 Contribution Balance Fault. It means the engine's control module has detected that cylinder 2 isn't contributing its fair share to engine performance. This can lead to rough idling, misfires, or reduced power output. Location is key. The issue often relates to the fuel injector or its control for cylinder 2. Depending on your car, the injectors are typically located along the intake manifold, directly connected to each cylinder. Here's the injector for cylinder 2. It delivers fuel directly into the cylinder for combustion. If it's clogged, leaking, or not working properly, it can trigger the P0266 code. How do you know if this is your problem? Watch for these symptoms: engine misfires, rough idling or hesitation, reduced fuel efficiency, and of course that check engine light. The common causes: a clogged or faulty injector, wiring issues, low fuel pressure, or even problems with the cylinder itself. First, inspect the fuel injector for cylinder 2. If it's clogged, try cleaning it using a fuel injector cleaner. If cleaning doesn't help, you may need to replace it. Also, check the wiring and connectors to ensure everything is securely connected. Once the repairs are done, use a scanner to clear the code and take your car for a drive to confirm the fix. And that's it for that P0266 code. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to IG Garage, and share it with your friends. Want to learn more? Check out these videos. P0263 for similar cylinder contribution issues and P0230 for fuel pump troubleshooting. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.